This is my new kitchen faucet. This is from Wewe. This is a matte black finish on stainless steel. It also is a single hole faucet, so you only need to have one hole for it. It comes with a plate as well, so if you need to cover up any other holes that are in your countertop, you can. It's also a nice single pull down, so you can pull down when rinsing everything off. It also has a single valve, so one touch, right or left for hot and cold. It came with everything you need to install it, the washers, the weight. The nice thing about it is if you're installing it yourself, you don't need any special tools. The nut that tightens the unit down to the countertop is a hand style nut, so you just twist it with your hand. Unfortunately, I could not put it down without the plate that covers the other holes. I only have a single hole, but it was drilled too large, so I had to use the plate to set the faucet down correctly. Very simple to use, on and off, hot and cold. Very happy with it, very happy with the way it looks. It's very simple to use. It turns all the way one direction and all the way around to the other, so if you need to move it out of your way, very happy with it so far. Thanks for watching.